Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and today we've got a pretty interesting one for you. We're going to be talking about a specialized derivatives trading platform. But before we get into that, just a reminder that I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm simply a geek on the internet who likes to bring you different forms of entertainment. Sometimes it's going to be, just the latest crypto that I think is interesting, a meme coin, or, sometimes it's a trading platform as today. Sometimes it's a review about a chair, and sometimes it's going to be AI or just different kinds of things. You never know what you're going to see, but today we are talking about a trading platform. But always utilize your own due diligence and do your own research. So that all out of the way, we are going to jump into today's video. We are looking at Margex. So as I said, Margex is a specialized derivatives trading platform that was founded in 2019. The ultimate goal of the project is basically to try and make trading just super accessible to anyone who's interested, and primarily by removing a lot of the unnecessary complexities that exist in most trading platforms, or at least a large majority of them. Also, Marge, is trying to stand out as one of the best platforms for novice traders, offering many unique features, and also, unlike a lot of exchanges, that heavily rely on copy-pasted white label solutions, they're coming at it from a unique approach and trying to really do something different here. Yeah, so Margex platform really is that they offer low commissions and provide a high level of protection for their users. But let's kind of go through and see what they kind of say on their main page, because that's kind of important as well. We made crypto trading easy. Get the fastest order execution, liquidity from 12 plus providers, lowest fees, and more. 500,000 plus registered users, 180,000 daily trades, and 153 countries served. Big one here, as I was saying, protection is high for them, so client funds lost, 0. You can see, some of the trade pairings, the trading pairs. You can kind of see copy trading. So we're going to look a little bit deeper into this here in a little bit, but let top traders work for you. Copy the success of top traders in one click. 100 plus pro traders, or 500,000 plus copied trades, and only one click to start. You can check out the top 5 traders by row. All kinds of things that you can check out here. But let's kind of go down here to some of their FAQs. So they do say, protecting their user funds is important. So let's look at how they do it. Margex employs a robust security infrastructure with multiple layers, each equipped with its security measures. These security protocols and controls are subject to frequent and extensive audits conducted by both their in-house experts and independent security professionals. Their custodian security features include 100% asset protection. That's awesome to hear. Continuous monitoring, real-time monitoring, and alerts are in place to promptly detect and respond to any asset movements or unusual activities, and access segregation. Our access segregation system is designed to eliminate the risk of fraudulent actions by internal personnel, providing an additional layer of protection. So that's some good stuff to note. Some other things that you should note is that there's no KYC registration for traders and partners. Another notable thing is they have 100 times or X100 leverage. So that's a pretty good thing. And it just seems genuinely like they put the protection of their users' funds first. But what you should note about that is that doesn't mean you won't lose money using Margex, right? Like it's at the end of the day, it's a trading platform, and you'll take risks, and it's not a no risk sum game. Like at the end of the day, if you try to make a trade, you could lose out on money, but that's not what they're saying here. So hopefully you all understand that it just ensures that you're not going to have any fraudulent activity occur to you, or at least that is their ultimate goal, is to protect you from that occurring. So here we are on their main page. You can see this is like their actually in-app application. You got trade, copy trading, convert, wallet, referral. We'll go over to copy trading real quick. You can actually see the different collaterals that people use. They use like Tron, they use Bitcoin, they use Tether, all kinds of good stuff. And since they have no collateral restrictions, that means you can deposit with ton, use it, to make a trade of Ethereum USD, and you'll be able to book the profits in ton. So there's virtually no restrictions, no collateral restrictions in regards to this platform. So that's really nice. But we're going to jump over to wallet. If you're wanting to deposit funds, you have deposit, buy crypto. They also have withdrawal. So you can look at the different ways to deposit. Do Bitcoin, Caspa, Tether, Ethereum, USD. But you can also go back here to buy crypto, where you can buy crypto using all kinds of stuff. I bet you could, it's just still deposit. So it's all here, and you can choose whatever network you want to utilize. But if you don't have that, it also offers a Visa there as well. So pretty simple, straightforward. You want to buy, you want to deposit, you can do it all right here on this page. And as I mentioned before, you have that 100x leverage, 100 times leverage that you can utilize here. This is in trade. You have a bunch of things at your disposal: limit market, stop market. You have the buy market, sell market. You have you can set a sell stop. You can set up a buy stop. All kinds of good stuff. Now, one of the biggest boons, and the thing that more than anything to me sets apart the fact that this is a good entry place for beginners or people who can't afford to be spending all their time watching the market, is the copy trading, where you take a look at traders who have been successful in their trades, right? You'll be able to browse through available traders, reviewing their performance statistics, as well as their trading history, and as well as their risk profiles. And you can kind of see trader equity, strategy equity, how much they've earned, how much they're valued at, what collateral they use, what achievements they've actually gotten, how many followers they have. You can weigh all of that. And the benefit to this is that you'll actually be able to select from these different traders, and you'll be able to decide how much you want to allocate to each of these traders that you follow. So you can follow their trends almost exactly, and you'll be able to start copying the trades that they make near instantaneously. Now, whenever it gets more volatile, the market gets more volatile, it can put a little bit of delay, but things like that happens. But for the most part, you will consistently be able to trade at the same time that these, I'll call them professional traders, but at least people who are definitely doing this successfully. And and you can just see how it works for you. And if you want to allocate a certain amount to this person and then a certain amount to what this person does, it can kind of spread yourself out a little bit. And that way, if one person makes a bad choice or hops in at the wrong time and someone else hops in at a good time, it can maximize your profits while reducing your losses. The process is very simple, very accessible, even for those who are very new to cryptocurrency trading. However, like I said before, it's still essential for you guys to know that all trading carries risks. The past performance of a trader here does not guarantee that they're results in the future will be spot on. There is no guarantees in crypto. There just never is. So still, like I said, do this at your own risk and utilize your own due diligence and research. And, you know, it gives you information here that can hopefully help you make an informed decision, but it doesn't come without risk. Never does. And lastly, I just kind of wanted to look over the crypto market in general. You can kind of see over the last 7 days hasn't been the greatest time for crypto. A lot's on a downtrend, and you know, that's, you know, just what it is. But you know, if the good thing about what this is that means you don't have to follow each of these trends yourself, right? You trust in someone else that it is very continuously attempting to make money doing this, or trying to increase their profits doing this, and trust that they will make the best informed decision that they can make, and hopefully get your earnings based off of that. So real quick, we're going to try this out. We're going to follow Ola Bitcoin. And as you can see, you can kind of see the tiers that they have, and how much you want to do. We'll do 100. And we'll follow now. Well, unfortunately, I'm having some issues with mine, and actually going through with the following. But if it were to have gone through, you could actually check out your portfolio, see who all you're copying, what your transaction history is, and what strategies you yourself have developed. So that is all some really cool stuff. Lastly, before we go, just want to also throw out there, we do have a promo code today. So the promo code is going to be Social Gains 2024. There'll be a 20% first deposit bonus of up to $10,000 US. But the minimum deposit of that is going to be $50 US. Also, an airdrop is now on Margex, where it's a fantastic 500,000 Caspa promo, and it is live. If you trade, you are guaranteed to get CAS tokens by airdrop up to $5,000 worth. So that's some stuff that you can take part in. All you have to do is have an account or open one on Margex, participate in their promotion via the link we'll have in the description below, and actively trade. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. But the more you trade, the bigger the reward will be. And this promotion will end on September 23rd. So and that's 100 hours UTC. But anyways, you can go ahead and jump in and get a piece of that pie if you are so interested. As I said, we'll leave links in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got on this one today. It's a pretty interesting project. I'm excited to see, who all jumps in. Let me know what your experience of it is. If you enjoy that copy trading feature, it seems really cool to me. Unfortunately, couldn't get to work this time. I'll probably have to contact them. But that is all I've got for this one. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.